Students will research different threats to digital well-being, including addiction, sleep disruption, and social isolation. They will create a presentation or a digital poster summarizing their findings and possible solutions. Define digital well-being and its importance. Explain digital well-being. Introduce digital well-being as the balance of technology used to support mental, emotional, and physical health. Discuss potential threats. Briefly outline common threats, such as addiction to technology, sleep disruption due to screen time, and social isolation from excessive online engagement. Conduct research on different threats. Choose specific threats. Have students research at least 3 threats to digital well-being. Examples include digital addiction, excessive use of devices, apps, or games that can lead to dependency and interfere with daily life. Sleep disruption, the impact of screen exposure before bedtime on sleep quality and duration. Social isolation, reduced face-to-face interaction due to spending more time online, leading to feelings of loneliness. Find reliable sources. Guide students to use credible sources such as health organizations, educational websites, or academic articles for information. Identify solutions to promote digital well-being. Research solutions. Have students find or brainstorm strategies to counteract each threat. Examples of solutions may include, for digital addiction, set screen time limits, take regular breaks, or practice mindful device use. For sleep disruption, avoid screens an hour before bed, use blue light filters, or establish a tech-free bedtime routine. For social isolation, balance online time with in-person activities, engage in hobbies, or participate in social gatherings. Take notes. Students should record key points on each threat, its impact, and practical solutions. Organize the presentation or poster. Design a clear structure. Organize the presentation or poster to be visually appealing and easy to follow. Title section. Create a title with the topic, example, threats to digital well-being and solutions. Threat-specific sections. Divide the content into sections for each threat, including description. Define each threat and provide a brief overview of its impact on digital well-being. Examples. Use real-life scenarios or statistics to illustrate each threat. Solutions. List practical strategies to help prevent or reduce the impact of each threat. Use visuals. Include relevant images, icons, or charts that represent each threat and solution. Design the poster or presentation. Select a design tool. Students can use digital tools like Canva, PowerPoint, or Google Slides to design their presentation or poster. Incorporate colors and icons. Use colors and icons that enhance readability and draw attention to key points. Choose a professional and consistent theme. Keep text concise. Use bullet points and simple language to make the information easy to understand and visually engaging. Review and edit. Peer review. Encourage students to share their work with a peer for feedback on clarity and accuracy. Check for accuracy and sensitivity. Ensure all information is accurate, respectful, and thoughtfully presented. Proofread. Review for grammar, spelling, and overall design consistency. Present or display class presentations. Each student or group presents their findings to the class, allowing time for questions and discussion. Display option. Digital posters can be printed or displayed on a virtual board for easy reference by the class.